Hey guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will discuss about assertions. Why we need assertions, what is a hard assertion, and what is a soft assertion. Assertions are a way to check whether you're getting expected values back, whether it is from the web page or within the test script itself. What we are writing are test automation scripts. So there is no human looking at them all the time, right? They're supposed to run on their own on regular basis. That is the purpose of automation tests. We are creating tests, but how to verify the tests are getting expected results or passing the checkpoints that you usually check manually. For example, when you manually test an application, let us say log in into the course. You know, when dashboard appears, you are successfully logged in. For automation, since it cannot visually confirm the dashboard page, the way we confirm is by using assertions. Let us take a look at definition and we will go from there. Assertions provide a means for users to validate any kind of test. The assertion results are based on comparison of actual and expected results. A test is considered passed only when assertions show no exceptions. Thus, the usage of assertions play a vital role in identifying the flaws in the application being tested. So if you use assert in your test, then the test will be aborted if the assert fails. Next test case will start executing in case you're running a test suite. That means multiple test cases. There are two types of assertions. One is hard assertion and the another one is soft assertion. Hard assertion is a default assert mechanism in TestNG. We use it when a test has to stop immediately after the assertion fails. So we use hard assertions in case where there is no point in moving forward if the test or the assertion fails at that point. Let us say you're logged into an application and you're not able to get into the dashboard. Then there is no point in moving forward. You cannot do any kind of actions in the dashboard like going into a course, clicking on a lesson. You cannot do any kind of operation. There is no point in moving forward. In that case, you will use hard assertion. And soft assertion is a custom assert mechanism supported by TestNG. We use it when a test has to continue execution even after an assertion fails. So this is the case where, let us say, in the previous example, the login was successful, but a couple of links were not working. In that case, you don't want the test to fail, but simply report the links were failing and still continue the test, right? In that case, you will be using soft assertion. Let us discuss commonly used assertions. So assert equals. Assert equals works by comparing expected value with the actual value. The assertion passes if they both are equal. Assert not equals is opposite of assert equals. It expects expected value and actual value are not the same. If they are same, it gives an assertion exception. In some cases, you need to check both of the values are not the same. In that case, you will use assert not equals. Assert true passes the test step only when the Boolean value returned is true. So it accepts a Boolean value. If the value is true, assert true passes. If it is not true, then you will get an assertion error. Similarly, assert fail passes the step only when the Boolean value returned is false. Assert null verifies if the object under test is null and passes if it is null. Assert not null, on the other hand, verifies the object under test is not null and passes only if it is not null. Otherwise, throws an assertion exception. So typically you will be comparing string values or verifying Boolean or verifying null values. Once again, string, Boolean and null values. These are the three data types we will be checking mostly in assertions. It depends upon the situation which assertion you will be using. If it is a page title verification, string will do. If it is an object, then you will be checking for null, not null. And if it is a condition, then you will be using a Boolean. We will see the examples when we code. With this, I will conclude this lesson. In the next lesson, we will see hard and soft assertions in action. Thank you.